Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance going into next week. First level of support, what I would call the ideal level, is going to be this pink line right here, which is that famous 200 period simple moving average. And if the price can continue to hold above there, that would be, best case. I use the word continue very deliberately, but as you can see, a whole bunch of times today, the bears did try to press down below that pink line. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong there. So if that continues to happen, that would certainly be, the biggest sign of power going forward. With that being said, if the price does drop below the pink line, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But like I said, yeah, best case would definitely be the price staying up above there. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying up above that pink line, that would be great. But grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at right now, pretty straightforward. Seem to be right up there around the $1.10 mark, give or take a little bit. But that's the general vicinity where whenever the price did try to break up through that portion of the chart, it just couldn't quite do it. So very clearly, that's where some sellers are at. Overall, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today, setting itself up nicely for next week. So yeah, nice movement today. Let's see how the momentum plays out next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.